You think grooming is just routine? Think again. These aren't your usual razors or trimmers. They're sleek machines built to transform your daily ritual into something you'll actually look forward to. Every detail, every finish, every sound feels engineered for precision and pleasure. So sit back, because what's coming next will change the way you care for yourself forever. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and tell us which gadget deserves a spot on your shelf. All the links are waiting for you below. Precision meets power in the Wahl Pro series. Its skeleton-style head exposes every angle, letting you sculpt crisp, flawless lines with absolute control. 3 interchangeable heads adapt to any look, from sharp edges to a smooth finish, while the black diamond blades glide cooler and closer than ever. Waterproof, cordless, and built for performance, it turns grooming into an experience, not a chore. Right now, it's yours for just $149.99 on Amazon. There's something oddly satisfying about precision. The clean click, the perfect curve, the smooth edge. These stainless steel nail clippers turn that moment into an experience. Crafted from solid metal with a matte black finish, they feel substantial, stable, and refined. The sharp, curved blade slides through nails with a crisp, controlled motion, while the integrated catcher quietly collects every clipping inside. No mess, no scatter, just pure order. The ergonomic one-piece design eliminates loose parts and awkward rotations, making every trim fast and intuitive. Even thick nails yield effortlessly to its reinforced lever, built for strength and balance. Portable yet striking, it fits seamlessly into your grooming kit or travel case, proving that small tools can deliver big satisfaction. Available now for $9.99 on Amazon, a little luxury that upgrades your everyday routine. A real beard tells a story, and this kit gives yours the attention it deserves. Inside, you'll find everything to cleanse, soften, and sculpt every strand. Organic oil, balm, shampoo, scissors, brush, and comb, all designed to keep your beard looking sharp and feeling incredible. The natural ingredients hydrate without heaviness, leaving your face smooth and your beard irresistibly touchable. Each piece fits neatly inside a sleek storage bag, ready for home or travel. Whether it's a gift or a personal upgrade, this set turns daily care into a statement of confidence and style. Yours now for $19.98 on Amazon. Grooming done like a gentleman. Every great beard starts with a clean line, and this shaping tool makes perfection easy to trace. Designed to guide your trimmer or razor with total accuracy, it helps you carve sharp cheek lines, smooth necklines, and flawless curves that look straight out of a barbershop. The dual-action comb keeps every strand in place, while the barber pencil lets you outline your style before each pass. Crafted from durable, lightweight materials, it feels secure in your hand and slips effortlessly into any travel bag. Whether you're defining a goatee or refining a full beard, it transforms grooming into a ritual of precision and confidence. Get yours today for just $9.99 on Amazon, a small detail that makes every edge look intentional. Meet precision that respects your skin. The Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 5000 redefines how you handle the smallest details of grooming. Its dual-sided steel blades glide smoothly through unwanted hair, trimming with total control and zero pulling. A protective guard system keeps even the most sensitive areas safe, forming a barrier between the skin and blades for a gentle, confident touch. Perfect for refining eyebrows, cleaning edges, or shaping sideburns, it delivers barbershop accuracy right at home. The compact body feels balanced in your hand, powered by a long-lasting AA battery that's always ready to perform. Lightweight, quiet, and incredibly precise, it turns what used to be awkward touch-ups into a clean, effortless routine. Available now for $16.99 on Amazon, where sharp design meets absolute comfort in every trim. From a clean shave to precise detailing, the Ufree Grooming Kit handles it all with one sleek device. Equipped with 6 interchangeable heads, it shapes beards, trims body hair, and even manages sensitive areas with remarkable comfort. The stainless steel blades glide smoothly across the skin, cutting evenly without pulling or irritation, while the waterproof design lets you groom confidently in or out of the shower. Its powerful motor runs quietly yet efficiently, and the LED display keeps you informed of battery life with every use. 90 minutes of cordless performance means freedom to perfect every detail at your own pace. Thoughtful, durable, and incredibly versatile. It turns any routine into a refined ritual of self-care. You can find it on Amazon for $36.99, a complete grooming upgrade in one device. Beauty is in the details, and this 26-piece manicure and pedicure kit ensures every one of them looks flawless. Each stainless steel tool is engineered for precision, strength, and long-lasting sharpness, turning every trim, cut, and clean into a moment of pure satisfaction. The refined matte texture feels smooth to the touch, resisting rust and fingerprints, while the ultra-sharp clippers glide effortlessly through nails and calluses. Packed inside a luxurious black leather travel case, it opens like a miniature studio of personal care. Everything perfectly organized and ready for use at home or on the move. Compact, elegant, and built to impress, it's more than grooming. It's a statement of refinement. Now available for $9.28 on Amazon. The perfect balance of practicality and sophistication in the palm of your hand. Small, refined, and crafted for the modern gentleman, this grooming set keeps every beard looking smooth and intentional. Inside, a premium brush, precision comb, and compact scissors work together to shape and soften with ease. Lightweight and travel-ready, it fits neatly into any bag, making touch-ups simple wherever you go. A thoughtful gift that feels personal, practical, and timeless. Get it now on Amazon for $6.78, proof that great style can come in a small package. Smooth skin starts with precision, and this blue waterproof body groomer delivers both in one refined design. Its ceramic blades glide softly across the body, trimming hair from chest to groin without pulling or irritation. The ergonomic grip stays secure, even in the shower, while the built-in LED light reveals every detail for a clean, confident finish. Fast charging power gives weeks of use from a single hour of charge, and the digital display keeps you informed every time you pick it up. With adjustable combs for custom lengths and a quiet motor that feels effortless yet powerful, it transforms grooming into something you'll actually enjoy. Elegant, discreet, and built to perform, it's your all-in-one upgrade for total control. Find it today on Amazon for $18.39. Precision, comfort, and style in perfect balance. Power, precision, and confidence, all engineered into one sleek black trimmer. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra takes men's grooming to a new level with its dual head design, one skin-safe trimmer for shaping, and a foil blade for that flawless, smooth finish. Adjustable combs let you control every length, while the dual LED lights reveal each contour clearly. Waterproof and USB-C rechargeable, it's built for wet or dry use, giving you the freedom to trim in the shower or on the go. The ergonomic body feels balanced, the motor runs quietly, and the travel lock keeps it ready wherever you are. This isn't just a trimmer. It's a statement of modern self-care designed for total comfort and precision. You can get it now on Amazon for $109.99, the ultimate tool for mastering your grooming ritual. Confidence starts with comfort, and this sleek sage trimmer makes grooming effortless from chest to waist. Its ceramic blade glides close without cuts or irritation, leaving skin smooth and calm. Fully waterproof and rechargeable, it handles every texture with quiet precision, even in the shower. Lightweight, durable, and ready for travel, it turns personal care into an easy daily ritual. Available now on Amazon for $49.99. Smooth, safe, and built to last. Meet the trimmer built for confidence, the Manspot. Groin and body trimmer brings aerospace-grade precision to every detail, delivering a clean, smooth shave without burns or irritation. Its ceramic blade glides gently across sensitive areas, powered by a strong motor that trims fast while staying quiet and cool. Waterproof and perfectly balanced, it fits comfortably in your hand for control even in the shower. With 4 adjustable guards and long battery life, it adapts to every style, from close shave to neat trim. Built to protect what matters most, it redefines comfort where it counts. Find it today on Amazon for $29.98. Advanced care designed for modern men. Keep your sink spotless while you trim. This beard bib catches every stray hair, turning cleanup into a 2-second task. The soft, non-stick fabric feels smooth on the skin and releases hair effortlessly, while adjustable straps and strong suction cups hold it perfectly in place. Simple, clever, and stylish. It's grooming without the mess. Get yours on Amazon for $6.59. Clean shave, clean space. Precision packed in your palm. The Vikicon Mini Foil Shaver transforms grooming into a travel-ready experience. Its dual floating blades glide effortlessly across every contour of your face, chin, and neck, giving a close, smooth shave without irritation or nicks. Powered by a 9,500 RPM motor and a long-lasting lithium battery, it runs quietly yet powerfully for up to 90 minutes on a single USB-C charge. The compact body fits easily in your pocket or carry-on. Built for men who move fast but still care about the details. Fully waterproof and easy to rinse clean, it works flawlessly for both wet and dry shaves. Whether it's for business trips or daily touch-ups, this sleek device combines power, precision, and portability in one elegant design. Available now for $30.99 on Amazon. Effortless shaving, anywhere life takes you. Kickstart your beard growth and skin renewal with the Beard Club Derma Roller, a compact tool that turns routine care into visible results. Featuring 540 titanium microneedles, it gently stimulates the skin's surface to awaken dormant follicles and boost circulation, helping new, healthier hair come to life. Designed for the face, scalp, and beard, it delivers the benefits of microneedling right at home, without salon prices. Each pass feels precise and safe, thanks to the perfectly spaced 0.25mm tips that glide smoothly over the skin. Crafted with durability and comfort in mind, it comes with its own protective case for hygienic storage and travel. Whether you're building a fuller beard or refreshing your complexion, it's the kind of tool that changes how you care for yourself. Find it today on Amazon for $7.99. Smart grooming starts here. Stay sharp with the Zorami nose and ear trimmer, a sleek stainless steel tool that clears unwanted hair with precision and comfort. Its dual-edge blades rotate smoothly, cutting cleanly without pulling or pain, while the waterproof body lets you rinse it under the tap in seconds. Quiet, compact, and travel-ready, it keeps you perfectly groomed wherever you go. Grab it now on Amazon for $9.98. Clean look, zero effort. Master the art of precision grooming with these German steel beard and mustache scissors, crafted for those who appreciate control and elegance in every detail. The razor-sharp blades cut cleanly through thick or fine hair, shaping your beard and mustache with effortless accuracy. Each pair features an adjustable tension screw and ergonomic handle that rests naturally in your hand, ensuring smooth, steady cuts every time. Made from rust-proof, hypoallergenic steel, they promise a lifetime of sharpness and reliability. The set includes 2 combs for styling and blending, plus a sleek travel pouch that protects your tools wherever you go. Compact, refined, and built to last, this kit turns everyday trimming into a ritual of precision and confidence. Available now for $9.99 on Amazon. Craftsmanship that elevates every cut. Groom smarter with this rechargeable nose and ear trimmer built for precision and comfort. Its 9,000 RPM motor and dual-edge stainless blades remove unwanted hair cleanly without pulling or noise. The USB-C charge lasts for months, and the detachable head rinses easily underwater for quick care. Compact and sleek, it's grooming that fits your pace. Find it on Amazon for $13.49. Refined power in your hand. Everyday carry meets clever design with the Outu 7-in-1 Keychain Multitool. Compact yet powerful, it combines nail clippers, scissors, tweezers, a screwdriver, nail file, and cuticle tools into one sleek stainless steel gadget that fits right in your pocket. Built from 422-grade steel, it resists rust, wear, and time, staying sharp and strong wherever life takes you. Whether you're camping, fixing, or grooming on the go, it's always ready for action. Lightweight and perfectly balanced, it clips easily to keys, backpacks, or travel gear. Finished in a bold orange tone, it's not just practical, it's a statement piece. Durable, stylish, and endlessly useful. It's the tool that turns small details into big convenience. Available now for $13.99 on Amazon. Everyday precision in your pocket. Take full control of your look with the 360 mirror, the Trifold system that lets you see every angle of your head with crystal clarity. Its distortion-free glass reveals each detail so you can fade, trim, or braid with precision that rivals a pro. Adjustable heavy-duty hooks let you set the perfect height on any door, while the sturdy frame ensures lasting reliability. Portable and battery-free, it folds neatly for travel yet feels solid and stable in use. Whether you're cleaning up edges or mastering your own haircut, this mirror turns your space into a personal barbershop. Join thousands already shaping their style with confidence and ease. Available on Amazon for $24.99. Precision that reflects your best self.